how to clean a Whirlpool dishwasher filter. So before cleaning anything, you just have to first of all turn off the dishwasher completely. For extra safety, you can also unplug it or switch off the breaker if accessible. After doing so, you need to open the dishwasher door and then slide out the lower rack fully. This is going to give you access to the filter area, which is located at the bottom of the tub near the spray arm. Now, most of the Whirlpool dishwashers use a round or cylindrical filter assembly, which is going to look something like this. So you may see two parts over here, the upper part, which is the removable filter, and the lower flat filter screen. So these filters trap the food particles and then prevent the debris from reaching the drain pump. So you need to twist the upper filter counterclockwise and lift out carefully. Then gently remove the lower filter if your model includes one. Avoid forcing the parts because some of the filters lock into the place tightly. After doing so, you just have to simply rinse the filter under the warm running water. You can also use a soft brush or old toothbrush in order to remove the grease, food debris or hard water residue. After that, before reinstalling the filter over here, make sure that you wipe the filter housing area inside the dishwasher. Then simply place the lower filter back first if applicable, then insert the upper filter and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into the position. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.